Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve some questions of exercise 4a, question number 6 first. It says 120 students took a music examination. The cumulative frequency curve below shows the result, marks along x-axis and cumulative frequency along y-axis. The highest possible mark is 80. From the graph, estimate the number of students who scored less than 45 marks. So less than 45 marks. So this is 40, 50. So 45 will be here. It's about 58. This is 50, 50. Yes, 58. This number is 58. So answer is 58 students who got less than 45 marks. Part 2, the fraction of the total number of students who failed the music examination, given that 34 is the lowest. 34 is the lowest marks to pass the examination. So this is 30, 34 will be, this is 34. So 26. So 26 students have, so the percentage will be 26 students who failed over total students. Total number of students are 120 multiply by I should use 25, I guess. So reducing it, it gives you 13 to two 13s are and two 60s are. So this is your answer. This is the fraction of the students who were failed. Number 3, the value of A if 27.5% of the students obtain at least A marks. So 25, 7.5%. So first take 27.5% of total students. Total students are 120. So simplifying it, 33. So 33 students, this is 30 and this one is 33. 30, 32 and this is 33. So the value of x, the value of A will be So it is actually at least. So we need to go towards top. So 120 minus, it's actually in the top category. So 120 minus 33 gives you uh, 7, 8, yes, 87. So you have to see at 87, 87, 82, 84, 86, and this one is 87. So this is about 52 or 51, I guess. Yes, the value is 51. This is 51. So this is your answer, part 3. Next question, question number 8. The table below shows the cumulative frequencies for the annual income of 200 households in a certain district. So on each sheet of graph paper, draw a histogram to represent the frequency distribution. Uh, if a household is selected random from this district, what is the range of annual income the household is most likely to earn? So first create a table to draw the histogram. This representing annual income, and this is frequency. So first is x is greater than 0 and greater than equal to 0 and less than 20. How many? 41. X is greater than equal to 20 and less than 40 and less than 60. 60 to 80. 80 to 100, and finally 100 to 120. 41, then 78 minus 41 gives you 37. Then 99 minus 78 gives you 21. And 118 minus 99 gives you 19. 164 minus 18, it gives you 48, 46. And finally, 200 minus 164, 34, 36. Third column for frequency densities. Frequency density is equal to frequency over class width. This is for frequency densities. Frequency densities. So frequency density is equal to frequency over class width. So I'm applying this formula. So the class width of each interval is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, means the class width is 20. So just dividing each frequency by the class width 20. So 41 divided by 20, it gives you 2.05. 2.05. Then 37 divided by 20 gives you 1.85. As all the class widths are equal, so you can also make a histogram that has a frequency axis instead of frequency densities. So 21 over 20, 1.05. 20 divided by 19, 19 divided by 20, 0.95. And 46 divided by 20, 2.3. 36 divided by 20, 1.8. All the class all the class widths are equal, so we can use the first two columns to generate the histogram. Zero to 20, 0, 20, this is 40, 60, 80, 100, and 120. These are annual income. $X in thousands. And this is actually the frequency. Twenty, 40, 10, 20, 30. Maximum frequency is 46. So 50 is enough. So the first 0 to 20, 41. So this is 41, 0 to 20. I'll make a bar. Then 20 to 40, 37. Where is 37? This is 37. Then 40 to 60, 21. This is 21. 60 to 80, 19. And this is 19. 19. The bar has height 19. Then 80 to 100, 46. So where is 46? Here. Yes. And finally, 100 to 120, 36. So this is the complete histogram. Question number part 2. If a household is selected random from this district, what is the range of the annual income the household is most likely to earn? So 8200. You can see the tallest bar is this 8200. So answer will be 8200. $80,000 to $100,000. Okay, question number 9. The cumulative frequency curve shows the distribution of the masses of 80 tomatoes produced in at nursery. Part A. Tomatoes with masses more than 56 gram are rated as grade A tomatoes. Find the percentage of grade A tomatoes. So 46, where is 46? 45, 45.2. So this is 4.46. 56, sorry. 56 gram. So 55. 56. So this is, so these are the tomatoes. These are the tomatoes which should be considered as grade A tomatoes because their masses are greater than 56. So it will be total 80, 80 minus 36. So part 1, 80 minus 36. So it gives you the grade A, number of grade A tomatoes. 44. Part 2. Estimate the value. Actually, we have to find percentage as well. So percentage will be 44 over total number of tomatoes are 80 multiplied by 100%. So 44 divided by 80 into 100. So it gives you 55%. So 55% tomatoes are grade A tomatoes. Part 2. Estimate the value y if 15% of the tomatoes are y gram or less. These are rated as grade C tomatoes. So 15% of total. Part 2. 15%. 15% of total. Total are 120. Total no. So total tomatoes 80. So 15 divided by 100 multiplied by 80. So it gives you 12. So where is 12? 10. Yes, this is 12. This is about 52. So answer will be y will be equal to 52 gram. Part 3. Find the number of grade B tomatoes which are between grade A and C. So just have to subtract these. This is actually for grade B tomatoes. 36 minus 12. So it gives you 24. This is 24. 36 minus 12. Part B. From the curve, data are transformed into frequency distribution table below. Copy and complete the table. So by reading this cumulative frequency curve, we have to complete this table. 40 to 45. So you can see that 40 to 45, the number are this 2. Yes, 2. Then 45 to 50. This is 50. And it is actually 8. 8 minus 2, the previous one. 8 minus 2. So it gives you 6. Then 50 to 55. So this is 26. 26 minus previous one, 8. So it gives you 18. Then 55 to 60. 70. And 70 minus previous one, which is 26. So it gives you 44. And finally one 65. This is 80. So 80 minus previous value 70, 10. 80 minus 70, 10. So using the table, find the estimate of the mean mass of the tomatoes produced at the nursery. Mean mass. From this table, so you have to use the mean formula. Before it, we have to find the mid value of each range. So this is, suppose this is mid value x. So the mid value for 40 to 45 will be 42.5. I just add 40 plus 45 and then divide by 2. Similarly, mid value of 45 to 50 is 47.5. And 50 to 55, 52.5. And 55 to 60 is 57.5. And 60 to 65, 62.5. So these are the mid values and these are the frequencies. So using the formula, mean is equal to summation fx over summation f. Okay, inserting the values, fx 2 into 42.5 plus 6 into 47.5 plus 18 into 52.5 plus then 44 into 57.5 plus finally 10 multiplied by 62.5. And summation f means total 80, or you can add all the frequencies. This will give you 80. So use your calculator to calculate this whole expression. 2 multiplied by 42.5 plus 6 multiplied by 47.5 plus 18 multiplied by 52.5 plus 44 multiplied by 57.5 plus 10 multiplied by 62.5 and then divide by 80. So it gives you 55.875 or 55.9 in three significant figures. 55.9. So these are the questions for home assignment. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 of exercise 4B. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.